How to turn on auto download using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on auto download using Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings. Here you will find storage and data, and here you will find here you will find this one. When connected on Wi-Fi, just click on it and turn everything on and click OK, and now just go back, it will be saved, and that's how to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.